Okay, I am not ready to make this video. I am so excited. Inside this box here, we have something so good. Can you see? It is the one and only Elemis advent calendar. So let's open her up and have a look. My friends, it is time for the Elemis advent calendar unboxing. So this is what the advent calendar this year looks like. And it is worth £690. However, it's being sold with a 68% discount, which means it costs just £225. It is a 25-day advent calendar, and I am going to unbox it, and I am so excited. So this is how you open her up. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's majestic. Look at that. Oh, is there anything better than a really luxy, beautiful advent calendar? I think not. Anyway, let's just get involved. So inside box number one, let's have a look. This is a 28ml bottle of the Pro Collagen Marine Moisture Essence. And this is an incredible toner. Inside box number two, we have the Fragpani Manoy Shower Cream. This is in the 50ml. And if you've never tried this, this is an incredible, incredible, incredible shower cream. It's so beautiful. It smells very kind of like floral, but also quite gourmandy. It's got kind of some vanilla notes in. It's so pretty. You can actually use it as a shower cream or as a bath milk. I use it in both. I just love it. It's so beautiful. On day number three, oops, let's try that again. So on the 3rd of December, we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is one of the world's most loved cleansing balms. It leaves your skin like clean, but not stripped. It takes off all your makeup, all your SPF. And the best thing about it is it emulsifies with water. So while you can use a cleanser to take it off, you don't need to kind of like really tug at your skin to get it off. It's just gorgeous. I love it. It smells incredible. It's perfection. And then on the 4th of December, it's really hard to see, but this is the Elemis Superfood Face Oil. It's only a 5ml bottle, but honestly, this will last you so long. And I can tell you that like, I think a 15ml bottle is like £60, 50, £60. It's such a good product. It's so expensive. This is honestly such a treat. On the 5th of December, we get the Pro Collagen Toning Mist. Again, this is incredible. On the 6th of December, oh, this one's big. This is the Elemis Superfood Face Mist. I absolutely love this stuff. It's so quick and easy and leaves your skin feeling and looking incredible. One of my favourite face mists ever made. And then let's look for box number 7. There you are. Ooh, this is more from the Superfood collection. This is the day cream. Again, I love this range. It's so good. This is the 20ml day cream. I have quite dry and sensitive skin, which is also quite prone to irritability, and I find this absolutely incredible. And then on the 8th of December, more from the Superfood collection. This is a Glow Cleansing Butter. So now we have 2 cleansing products. I think what we're doing is we're building up like a nice little kind of like roster of all the cleanser, toner, moisturizers, and just kind of like building up lots of kind of travel sizes so you can try all the different skincare collections and see which one is best for you. But this is the Superfood Cleanser. Again, absolutely incredible. And then on the 9th, this is the Superfood Priming Moisturizer. I don't think I've actually tried this one before, so I'm really excited about this one. Ooh, and box number 10 is really big. So let's have a look. Oh, what's inside? What is this? Okay, this is the Body Balm, and it's in scent Mayfair number 9. I don't think I know this one, but apparently it smells of lavender, geranium, and eucalyptus. That sounds incredible. And their body butters are so rich and lovely that you can actually use them as hand creams. They're just honestly so good and they smell so beautiful. And then in box number 11, ooh, I'm actually using this at the moment. This is the Pro Collagen Green Fig Cleansing Balm. If you know me, you will know I love, love, love the smell of fig. It's just so green and milky and lovely. It's just so comforting and cozy. And this Green Fig Cleansing Balm, it smells so good. It's the classic formula of cleansing balm from Elemis that you know and love, but this time kind of like green and a little bit sweet and milky. It's so, so, so pretty. I absolutely love this. And this is a 20-gram pot. Now let's find box number 12, which is again nice and big. Oh, yes, I know what these are. Okay, these are the Dynamic Resurfacing Face Pads. These are probably one of the most iconic products from Elemis. They are like pads that you rub around your skin and they kind of like exfoliate and resurface. And even though they're quite strong, they actually don't irritate my skin, which is quite rare. And some people use these every other day. I tend to use them more like every week. Here's a little top tip from me. Whenever you see people using these, they often use two. Oh, one for each side of their face. I just use one on both sides of my face. I find one is plenty. And then you get like a little bit more bang for your buck. Lasts a little bit longer. So yeah, I absolutely love these. Absolutely incredible. Oh, there's lipstick on that. Whoops. And I just want to stop now that we're at the halfway point and say this. This is an incredible advent calendar. I cannot believe it's worth nearly £700 and it's just over 200. It really is so good, and I can't believe we're only halfway through it. There is literally not one item in here that I don't absolutely love, or I'm not excited to try, or is like a bit stingy. Like everything is a really good size. So yeah, let's crack on because this is a damn good advent calendar. Box number 13. Ooh, this is a Pro Collagen Rose Marine Cream. So this is their classic loved marine cream, but with a rose scent. Maybe I've been living under a rock, but I didn't even know this existed. And I love roses. I've loved their marine cream for years. I love their raised face oil, but I've never tried the marine cream in rose. So that's amazing. I'm really excited. So that is box number 13. And on the 14th of December, we get the papaya enzyme peel. Again, this is incredible for like exfoliating and resurfacing. I tend not to use this too often because again, I have to be careful with my skin. I'm very dry, I'm very sensitive, I'm very prone to irritability. I do find this really good, but I don't use it too much. I use it probably once a week, twice a month, that kind of thing. So one little tube lasts me absolutely ages, but it is really good. And if you have more hardy skin than me, then you will be able to use it more frequently. And then in box number 15, this is again another real treat. This is a Pro Collagen Night Cream. I'm loving how generous they are with all our favorites. This is 15 mils, so again, nice and generous. Again, one of their most loved products. They are really hitting us with the hits. It's all killer, no filler. Yeah, that's right. That's the right expression, isn't it? And then box number 16, here we go. Let's have a look. I honestly can't believe how good this advent calendar is. So this is the Midnight Facial. I have used this. I really liked it. I haven't used it for years. But this, as far as I can remember, it's basically an overnight face mask. It was so good. So I'm really excited for this. And then on the 17th of December, we get the Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser, which is another really good cleanser. I always think of this as either my second cleanser or my shower cleanser. 30 mils, really nice. Tuck that up in bed. Oh my goodness, I completely forgot about this product. This is so good. It's a black cherry cleansing balm and it smells like cherries. It's so good. It's like their classic cleansing balm, but smelling of cherries, so good. And then on the 19th, we have the Pro Collagen Glow Boost Exfoliator. Again, I don't exfoliate too often, so this will last me for absolutely months. And I have tried it before. I do really like it. So that's another amazing product. And then the 20th, that's a big box. Ah! Oh my goodness, are we joking? This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is 50 mils. This is worth nearly £100 by itself. I know that you all know that I love this product already and I've talked about it so many times. I've been using it for like 12, 15 years at this point. I absolutely love it. It's one of the best day creams you will ever find. It sits beautifully under makeup. It makes your skin so good. Even in the depths of winter, it still keeps you hydrated all day long. It is incredible. I cannot believe they're giving us a 50 ml pot of this. Whew. And then on the 21st of December, we get the Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. Again, another incredible product. This is an eye cream. So good.